Well, guys, since everything's a little slow, I guess we're doing yard work. I've been a little bit each day, you know. Try to do a little bit around here. Try to keep everything in order, but loaded up some wood that was over here. It's all rotten now. Take it to the burn pile. Seen a snake over here earlier? I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. Look, there he is. There he goes. Must have a den up under there somewhere. Where'd he go? There he is over there. Yeah. Well, anyways. I guess I disturbed his home or something. Mowing the yard. I still ain't put new steering parts on yet. They're sitting in the shop, but the zip ties are still holding, so, you know, we're gonna run them till they break. All right, guys. Come here. All right, guys. Have a good day.